Sleek and ergonomic, the Treadmaster is a highly efficient tire tread depth examiner designed to provide quick and accurate tire wear analysis. It's equipped with advanced laser technology to ensure precise measurements. The intuitive touchscreen interface allows you to navigate through various functions effortlessly. The Treadmaster offers 5 distinct options for comprehensive tire inspection. Operating the Treadmaster 3 is easy and efficient. Just press and hold the power button to start and navigate through the intuitive interface. Place the magnetic head against the tire tread and press the measurement button to scan. The device provides real-time tread depth data, stopping distance predictions, and tire wear status. It even offers maintenance and repair recommendations based on the detected data. The Treadmaster is your go-to tool for ensuring tire safety and performance. With its accurate measurements and user-friendly interface, it's an essential addition to any vehicle maintenance toolkit. If you'd like more information about this product, please visit our website or consult with your local dealer. Thanks for watching.